This is a DVR system, so the idea behind it is you can hook up 8 infrared cameras. Some of these cameras will actually have microphones attached to it, but it allows us to see in the dark. So as you can see, Sandra is hiding in a corner in the kitchen in pitch darkness, and you can see her perfectly. So some of that equipment that I said you could put a camera on it, it'd be one of these cameras, and you could leave it running in complete darkness, and you can see what's going on. We can put eight cameras on this. As I said, some of the cameras can actually pick up voice as well as just footage. But you can use this so if you get an EVP or something happens, you can go back and look at the different rooms. So if you had something go off in room number 2, you could go back to camera number 2. You could look to see who was in that room, if there was anybody in the room. And if there was, then you could see what were they talking about. You could hear what they're talking about. You can see what they're talking about and see if it makes sense to what you heard or what you may have seen. And if it doesn't, then you can put that off to the side as evidence and then try to debunk it afterwards. It also allows somebody to sit at a station like this and watch. I mean, we only have one camera hooked up, but you could be watching 8 all at once. And then basically have a little notepad, and then they would jot down, if they see anything on here, they can jot down the time, so when it comes back to review it, it's much quicker. Because if you've got 8 cameras and your investigation is, let's just say a short one is an hour long, with 8 cameras you're looking at 8 hours just on this system of evidence review, not including audio, video, digital recorders, everything else. So obviously it helps to have somebody sitting here, as boring as that may sound, and taking notes as things are going on. And that's it for a DVR system.